Today I'm going to show you the 3 shots that's going to annoy the snapple out of your opponents. I'm talking about shots that will make them pull their hair out, that will give them anxiety and have diarrhea, that will have them nightmares just thinking about you. Now these shots are going to be so annoying because when your opponents think when they've just won the point, no, you win the point instead. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch until the end of the video. This first shot is one I personally hate the most, and this is what it's gonna be. You moved your opponent all the way to the backcourt, and you just hit a super tight net shot thinking, no way, there's no way they're gonna get that. Instead, they come up all the way to the front, and out of nowhere, boom, hook a cross-court net shot that's so beautiful, and you're like, what the heck? How is that possible? Well, we're gonna show you how to do it. So first, we're gonna start in the back of the court to show our opponent that we're running late to the shot, possibly not being able to get the shot. So for the forehand side, once we run up however we want, because we're out of position, we're running up messy, we're gonna get it super late, but out of nowhere, in the last second, you'll do a cross-court hook, going off balance and one-shotting your opponent to win the point. Now, there's not many steps in terms of this. You just want to make sure your racket face is facing the right way and you're controlling it with a light tap. And other than that, I'll show you how it's done. Our next shot that's gonna blow your opponent's mind, the recovery cross-court smash shot. Now, I like to combine Tai Tzu Ying on the forehand because she does very well, and Tawfiq Hidayat on the backhand because it's just amazing. On the forehand side, what we're doing is doing a shuffle move back. So we'll start with our right, left, and then lunge. You'll see that the bird is still gonna be behind us because we're out of position and we're hitting slightly behind us. Now, instead of our usual clear or our drop, what we're gonna do is burst all of that strength, boom, into a cross-court drive smash. Now this is gonna catch your opponent super off guard because they're gonna be performing for the other shots. And then here, boom, you hit that, and you need to come back fast because while they're gonna be out of position, the shot's gonna be very far, so you have to cover the rest of the court. Same thing on the backhand side. Pumping it out, you come, turn, take a step, out of position. When you're hitting a cross-court drive smash. Although this is a very risky shot, your opponent most of the time will not expect this. So hitting this once at a time might catch your opponent off guard and win you the point. Now I'll show you what it looks like. Our last and final shot to wrap it all together is going to be the armpit smash. Now we all know smashes are nice to hit, but where is the ideal spot to hit smashes every time? It's actually in the armpit area. Why the armpit area? Because first, over here, you don't know if I'm going to use backhand or I'm going to use forehand. It's going to be hard deciding. Secondly, if I want to use backhand, I'm stuck like this. If I want to use forehand, I'm stuck like this. I'm always stuck in a T-Rex position, meaning not like the other areas where I have room to swing. Over here, I don't have a lot of room to swing, so all I can do is do like a super fast dodge and block. Now that you've learned those 3 shots, you've become really annoying, and no one wants to hang out with you.